This knee has enabled me to go places I did not think I'd have a chance to go. I've been able to do things I didn't think I'd get to do again. It has brought me comfort and ease and stability. I've had both knees replaced. I no longer have pain with the Conformis knee. I still do with the off-the-shelf. Well, the first one feels too big. It feels like it just doesn't belong to me. And then Dr. Parsons, who did my Conformis knee, had told me about this prosthetic. And I felt really good going in. So was I nervous? Not really. I was more concerned about rehab time than I was the surgery itself. He explained to me how it went, that I'd have some CAT scans done and that it would end up resulting in a mold of my actual knee, as opposed to having to chip away bone and or tissue to put an off-the-shelf one in, which consequently doesn't really feel like me. The left one's mine. It's really that simple. I don't notice it. I'm not aware of it. Within, 3 or 4 weeks, I was doing whatever I wanted to. That was done in March. By October, I was roaming around Europe, and it was wonderful. That's what they created to form my knee around. It really is a part of me now. It's not like the other one who, standing here for this amount of time, is really not terribly comfortable. Left one's not bothering me at all. This is my knee. It's nobody else's knee. It wouldn't fit in your knee. It won't fit in your knee either. It's mine.